Okay, is it time? Oh, welcome to my tiny place of peace. So I've got this huge mess in front of the tent that I've got to figure out how to fix. So I guess I'm going to try a hose and I'm going to see if I can siphon the water away from here because it's going to get up in the tent. I'm going to do my best to film it as best as I can. So it's got a lot of crazy camera movement here. So I mean, the water's starting to stand and it was going in that direction, but of course you can see that I blocked it. So I have this hose and I'm gonna see if I can get the water to flow down through here. I'll have to pause it, get going, and then come back and show you what I've done. So I don't know if you can tell, but the water's not standing as much as it was. It was all up here, but I was able to dig it down. So this pool got filled up with water and I'm not gonna let it go to waste. So I've already emptied one pool and put it in this trash can that has a lid on it. And then I also collected a lot of rainwater. Let me show you. So my wheelbarrow filled up with water and I collected those bottles, jars, and put water in it, put the lid on it, and also collected those jars. So I've got water for my build. A little bit of water, I should say. Join me next time from your place of peace, wherever it may be, right here on my tiny place of peace.